The tornado recovery is underway. The valley's long-awaited economic recovery is still stagnant. Wouldn't it be ironic if years from now, all of us can look back on this cruel act of nature and say that the jobs it created to help rebuild the many homes and businesses that were lost to the storm provided the impetus that eventually led to the valley getting back on its economic feet. One can only hope as we look for a silver lining in this literal dark cloud. To those who suffered and lost so much in the tornadoes of '85, our sincere sympathy. For Newswatch 27, I'm Tom Holden.
Tornado 85, A Trail of Tragedy, has been brought to you by the United Telephone System and Farmers National Bank.
Just talked to a sheriff's deputy. They said they have the National Guard coming in.
So I've been trying, for ever since this happened on a phone to get through, but couldn't. I don't know whether she was working or what.
Check with those guys right there. It was a disaster. People were lucky they were still alive.